Welcome to Dan's Crypto Adventures. Today we've got an unboxing for you guys. It is a power supply. It is the Seasonic Focus Plus Platinum series. So it is still all sealed up, so I thought we'd take a look inside and see what comes with this package. So I've already taken off the plastic sleeve, so we've just got the box. So let's take a quick kind of look at the box to show you guys what it looks like. So there's kind of the info. Of course, if I remember, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can log in and purchase this if you'd like. So let's go ahead and open it up. So there is the sleeve that it comes in, and then we've got this black box here. So let's do a little smiley face here. Is that how you open it? Yep. So you kind of pull that out and then up, and that exposes everything inside. First thing we've got is the user manual. So it goes through many languages. So you've got that comes in the package. We have got some plastic zip ties and also some Velcro zip ties. So it looks like about 3 Velcro and I don't know, maybe a dozen of the plastic zip ties. And there's also some screws on here as well. Then we've got the power cord to plug it in for the normal power in the United States. Then we got our bag of goodies. We'll open in just a second. Under the foam here is the actual power supply. It does come in a little sleeve here, so that's pretty nice. And here is the power supply itself. It's got one, of course, fan on the top. This is fully modular, so here are all of the connection points that come with it. And then on the back, we do have the plug, the on-off switch, and I think this is a button for one of the cost savings measures that it has. I think it turns the fan, it'll allow the fan to turn off when it is under a certain percentage of usage. So, you know, for efficiency, that's definitely a good thing to have. So let's move on to the next item, which is this bag right here of all the goodies. So it's a pretty nice little bag, actually. Let's pull it out, set it aside. So we've got plastic bag, 2 plastic bags here. Let's open these up. So first we have got SATA connections. So let's see here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 SATA connections on this one line right here. Right here we have a little converter from a Molex to a 4-pin fan. We've got another here. This has 3 Molex connectors on it. And this one here has 2 SATA power connections on it. And then we're going to get into the other bag. So here we have our 24-pin connector right here. And then we've also got, this is some PCI connectors. So it looks like there are 2 6+2 pin PCI connectors. These are sleeved. These few here are sleeved, and then the SATA connections are not. So that's kind of interesting how they did that. And then lastly, we have the this is the CPU plug. So we got a 4+4 for the CPU. So again, this is the Focus Plus Platinum, 550 watt. This does come with a 10-year warranty. So it should give plenty of years of reliable use. So thank you for watching Dan's Crypto Adventures. Please give me a subscribe down below and a like if you liked this video. So thanks.